Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to collect daily quick wins in Monopoly Go. So without any further ado, let's get started. Here, click on the wins option in the bottom left corner. Here, after you're able to complete the given task, tap to claim option will pop up automatically. So click on it. So that is how you can collect daily quick wins in Monopoly Go. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.